questions I'm often asked is, why should I give to an international charity when there are so many pressing needs here at home? And that's a sentiment I can understand, especially right now as we deal with the impact of COVID-19 on all of our communities. But the truth is, this is an international crisis, and so it really needs an international response, because for as long as this virus exists and is raging anywhere in the world, as we have already seen, we will all continue to be at risk, and life can't go back to normal. And so that's why it is critically important that we also look at the real and looming risk that exists in many fragile states throughout the world, including in refugee camps where millions of people are living in close proximity to one another and are at grave risk of transmitting this disease if it is allowed to get a foothold. Most of the environments in which War Child's working have very little in the way of health infrastructure. They don't have ventilators, they don't have very many hospitals. And so if people get sick, the impact of that is going to be just absolutely devastating. Which means that what we do now matters. The public health response, the prevention of the spread of COVID-19 now, today, is going to have the most significant impact on those who are facing grave risk from this disease throughout the world. So some of those activities include things like teaching about hand washing and social distancing, making sure that vulnerable families have access to soap and other sanitation supplies to ensure that they can keep themselves and their families safe. War Child's very much involved in some of that public health work throughout the world. We are working hard to ensure that COVID-19 does not get a foothold in some of the most difficult and challenging humanitarian environments. We really are, right now, all in this together, and I hope you'll consider supporting our efforts. You can visit our website, warchild.ca/COVID, to learn more and find out how.